Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. I am here with today's daily challenge of Leetcode. So it's build an array from permutation. And if you read the problem, given a zero-based permutation nums, you need to build an answer array on the basis of this. So answer of I equal to nums of I. So this means that nums of I should be less than n, and the n constant is given to be 1000. Yeah. So this seems to be a really easy problem if you just store the answer, like you initialize the answer array with all zeros, and this in a single for loop you do this. But the real challenge would be to solve it in O of 1 memory. That is, you need to edit the answer array in place, not the answer array, the nums array in place. So how can you edit this in place? And given that, what help can you take? The help is that each element of the nums would be less than 1000. So you just take 0 2 1 5 3 4. You just take the array and try to analyze it. 0 2 1 5 3 4. What will happen if we try to blindly store in place? So first element will be replaced by 0 only, because nums of 0 is 0 itself, and we go to that index. Now for the second index, nums of 1 is 2, and we go to the index 2 and store its value. So this will be 1. So 2 will be replaced by 1, and then when we will be requiring to visit the number 2, let's say in the third one, we need nums of 2 is 1, and therefore we need to go to the first index. We have lost the value of 2, right? We have lost the value of 2. So the major question is that how can you store two numbers in a single number? That should be the major question. So let's say you want to store 45 and 48 in a single number, given that both the numbers are within 1000 range. So what you can do is that if you try to store it something in this way, into 1000 plus 48, then you are basically storing both the numbers. How? 048. You know that 48 cannot go above 1000, so it will use 3 digits at max till 999, and this will also use 3 digits. So in this way you can store the numbers, both the numbers, in a single number. So every time when you iterate, you will do the, let's say, array of I. You will take the array of I, you will multiply it by 1000, but you also need to take care that before multiplying you are doing a modulo 1000. Why? Because whenever you are, this is the element which you are, this is the element which is already present in the array, and this is the element which you are adding new. You want to store both of them. So if you want to extract the number which is already present, you need to do modulo 1000. We need to know, take the last 3 digits. And if you want to store the new number, then you want to multiply. So you first we extract what is already present, and then we are storing it. So this is all we need to do for this problem. So, and at the end when everything is done, you just do, you just iterate once more, and just do it, a of I divide by 1000. You do this, divide by 1000, so that you just extract these three numbers. You just ignore the last 3 digits and extract the first 3. So yeah, we have the problem. So let's try to code it out quickly. I have int n nums dot size. So for every I will just go through the nums, and I will do nums plus equals to nums I modulo. First I will take out the modulo 1000. I want to extract the original number if it is whatever it is present, and then I want to multiply it by 1000. Yeah, that's correct. And at the end, when everything is done, I will just go through the whole array once and just do divide by 1000 and return nums. So yeah, we have modified in place. Let's see if it works. So it is giving a wrong answer. it is giving the exact same answer instead of the expected one. So let's so yeah, you can easily see that I have not taken this. It should be nums of I, as is told here. So yeah, we have the accepted thing. If you submit it, yeah, so we have that. We have modified it in place, and you can see our memory performance is also good. Though I do not believe in this, because in the same submission, like in the same code, if you submit it twice, it might show different things. So yeah, that's all from this video. This was an easy problem, and I hope your day is going to be very easy too. Thanks a lot.